Everyone dreams of wealth, the cars, the lifestyle, the freedom. But what if I told you the rich play by a different set of rules? Most people work hard but never get rich. Why? Because real wealth isn't just about hard work. It's about smart strategies. Wealthy entrepreneurs don't just earn money, they multiply it. The key? Multiple streams of income. Instead of relying on one paycheck, they invest in real estate, stocks, digital businesses, and passive income sources. Every dollar they earn, they reinvest. They let money work for them instead of working for money. The rich don't work jobs, they build businesses. A job can make you a living, but a business can make you a fortune. Start small. A side hustle, an online store, a digital product. The goal is to create something that earns while you sleep. Once your business grows, delegate. The wealthiest people don't do everything themselves, they build teams. Wealth starts in the mind. The rich think differently, they study money, learn from mentors, and never stop growing. The middle class plays it safe. The wealthy take calculated risks. If you're afraid to fail, you'll never succeed. Biggest difference? The wealthy invest first, spend later. The poor spend first, then struggle to invest. Success isn't just what you know, it's who you know. Your network can open doors money can't buy. The rich learn from those ahead of them. Find a mentor, join mastermind groups, and build relationships with successful people. Trying to do it alone? That's the slowest way to success. Collaboration beats competition, always. The secret to wealth isn't a secret, it's a formula. Multiply income, build businesses, invest wisely, and expand your network. Want more powerful business insights? Subscribe now and visit worldbusinessesforsale.com to start your journey to financial freedom.